Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Atong. So today I'm going to bring you guys a video and you guys could guess already. Can you guys guess? So I'm going to be doing a wash day hair routine. This is going to be a hair routine that I want to share with some of you guys. This is for those of you who are new or learning about the natural hair. So in this video today, I'm going to quickly go ahead and just show you guys what I'm doing. So anyways, so I'm going to quickly go ahead and share like a very simple hair regimen. So in this video, guys, I'm looking want to do 3 products, okay? 3 products because it's kind of nicer for beginners. This is a beginner friendly hairstyle, natural hair wash day. So I'm going to start off with a shampoo, and then I'll follow up with a conditioner, and then I'm going to use a moisturizer. Okay, 3 products, that's it. 3 products. Okay, so you guys have seen on the channel sometimes I use a lot of products. Sometimes some of you get confused. I want to do in 2021, I want to make things simple for you guys. If you're new learning about natural hair, I want you guys to be able to follow along. So anyways, with no further ado, let me quickly go into the video. So first thing first, in this video I'm not going to do any other things. I'm going to quickly go ahead. So I'm taking it down. So my hair is super, looks dirty. It's super dirty. You can see lots of product in there. Some product buildup. Change back. Okay. So I'm going to quickly go ahead and wet my hair. And I'm going to come back and see to shampoo this hair, okay? Okay guys, so the next step after I wet my hair, so I went into my tub in the kitchen. I don't want to do this because I've done this before, but this is just going to be a simple step for some of you guys who want to learn, okay? Just demonstrating. So far I have, what do I have? So I'm going to put my hair into 4 sections. So this is how my hair is looking like. Look guys, so I'm going to quickly just separate my hair into 4 sections. I'm going to use this is one of my go-to shampoo. This is my Shea Moisture JBCO black castor oil. So I'm never so shampoo. So I'm going to go first. Has a little nozzle. I'm going to pour some of my, it's a little bit runny, I don't know, that's just how I had it. So I'm going to start in the back here, put it on the base of my hair. These shampoo lather really quickly. Most of the time guys, you have a lot of products in your ends, in your inside of your scalp. So that's why it's really important to clean your scalp as much as possible. So you can see me making sure that I focus more on my scalp and just massage the scalp, okay? Do the same thing. So I'm just trying to like clean my scalp as much as possible. It feels so good to massage my scalp. So I'm gonna go next to the front ones to my scalp. You can see it lathers really quickly, so you don't really need to worry too much. So anyway, so I'm just going to just continue massaging my scalp as much as possible to clean it, and just making sure that the scalp is really clean. And then I'm gonna go and rinse it out, and then I'll come back and show you guys my next step, which will be conditioning. Okay, so my hair is completely washed, super clean. You can see the scalp, guys. So the next step we're going to do again, I'm going to separate my hair into 4 sections again. I'm going to use my 3-minute deep conditioner. This is Aussie Moist 3-minute Miracle Moist conditioner. It has avocado and Australian jojoba oil, and this is paraben free. So it's 3 minutes. So I'm going to use this as a conditioner / deep conditioner. So it's a deep conditioner, and in the process of using my conditioner, I use my conditioners a lot of the time to detangle. So you guys saw it, I didn't detangle, so I'm going to go ahead. It's a pump, so I'm going to go pump however much I want. So this is literally one of my favorite deep conditioners. It's 3-minute deep conditioner. I use it for detangling. So you guys can see already, I haven't even put in a comb yet. So look, okay, it sucks in really quickly. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to coat all of my hair in that conditioner. Okay, so far I have added product into my 4 strands of my hair. So I'm going to go ahead again and tie up my hair just to put it away. So my next step, which is going to be detangling. You can use a detangling brush. You can use this brush or you can use a white tooth comb. So the next step I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and detangle my hair using this brush. It's going to be a messy procedure. So I'm going to go into the sink and do it there. Next time I'm going to show you guys how I've already shown you how I detangle. So please go to the channel, or I can link it down below how I detangle my hair. I'll show you guys down below. But anyways, all I'm going to do is just have a comb, go into my hair, hold one section and just brush from the end to my roots. You don't want to go from roots that way because it's going to be so painful. Okay, so anyways, that's the demonstration. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and do that step and detangle, and I'll come back and show you guys how it look like. I'm going to come do my last step, which will be conditioning my hair, just adding some moisture. So anyways, let me quickly go ahead and wash this out. Okay, so my last step is I'm going to moisturize my hair, and I'm just going to use one product. Okay, I don't want to use too many because it's just going to be easy for you guys if you're learning, new person. Hi baby. New steps. So this is my homemade butter mix. So in this butter mix I have shea butter, coconut oil and olive oil, and just a little bit of Dax, a little bit of grease. That's why it's green. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my strands. So I'm going to go ahead, take some of my, that much, and have a big section, and rub into your hand. It melts really well. And I'm going to go in from the ends to my roots. Okay, and the next step I'm going to do is I'm going to try to comb through a little bit. Okay, so this is one part done. So look, just one big chunk. I'm going to move into the next one here. The back is always harder to braid. So anyways, again, do it for you guys. Take some of my butter. It's really fluffy. Okay, and then put into my hands, melt it, and start from the end to my roots. Okay, do that. Do the shriveling method, whatever you want to do. Make sure that your hair is coated with some of that leave-in conditioner. You guys can see that everything is in one, my shea butter mix. It has some oils, have some butter, and this is how it looks like. And there's some moisture in there, some water already from the conditioning. Trying to get this done before my son gets all cranky. And yeah, I'm gonna add a little bit more because I feel a little bit dry. Okay, more, then go again, and just that. Okay. Okay, and then go in again with my white tooth comb and brush it. So I have the last piece left, already braided 1, 2, and 3 section. I'm gonna do the last section. It's already brush it through. So I'm gonna separate into 3 sections just to do the 3 strand braiding. So I'm gonna go in, okay, do that. So guys, if you have short hair, try to do smaller sections. If you have long hair like me, 4 sections okay, depending how you like it. Sometimes I do 8, but for this video I like to do 4. I'm doing 4. So last step, which is an optional step for you guys. This is just my own preference. I like to do it on my wash day. This is my tea tree oil. I just put it on my scalp just to add some hair on my scalp, and it's going to help with activating my scalp and helping to make sure my scalp is not dry. Okay, anyways guys, I am done with my wash day. This is one of my simple wash day. This is really good for beginners, for natural hair. If you're someone who are a beginner learning how to do natural hair, these are 3 steps procedures you can do. These are basically just a very simple regimen for you if you're starting. So start with the shampoo. You don't need to do too much sometimes, just easy, straightforward. And the second one, you do a conditioner or a deep conditioner, whichever you like. And in the process, you can detangle. And lastly, moisturize your hair and put it in your whatever kind of style. I like these braids. They're just easy for me to style my hair away, so I don't have to worry about anything. Okay guys, I am done. I'm just going to put my twist away. So I have full twist. I'm just going to tie them away. So hopefully you guys enjoy it until far. Hope you guys enjoy until this end of the video. Okay, so guys, let me know some of the things that you guys want me to share more, what hairstyles and other things you want me to share more here on the channel. But I would love to continue doing these series where I actually show you guys very simple steps when it comes to taking care of your hair. But anyways guys, that's just a simple wash day routine for those of you who are starting. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, please don't forget to subscribe down below, turn on notification, and you can get notified every time I post a new video. Anyways, I'm gonna go get ready for the evening, and yeah, just get ready for the week. Okay guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.